Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
First, identify the current Jquery version by opening Jquery, JS or running Jquery, FN, Jquery in the console. Next, create a backup and open a Git branch to isolate changes. Then, read the target Jquery changelog for breaking changes and removed APIs to plan code updates. Also inventory plugins and custom scripts that call deprecated methods like live or bind. Finally, map each plugin and custom file to update or replace before pulling the new library. Decide whether to use a CDN or package manager for your update based on deployment needs. Use a CDN for quick testing and smaller initial downloads, or npm/yarn for reproducible builds and lock file control. If using npm, run npm install Jquery at latest and update package. JSON, then rebuild your assets. Include subresource integrity when linking a CDN file with an integrity attribute. Ensure you keep a local copy for offline builds or constrained environments when testing. Replace the old script reference or update your bundled asset with the new Jquery version. Install Jquery Migrate and enable its warnings to surface deprecated API usage during testing. Run your unit and integration tests, focusing on selectors, event handlers, and AJAX flows that commonly break. Fix identified issues and remove Jquery Migrate once the codebase is clean. Finally, pin the working Jquery version and package, JSON or lock file, tag the release, and deploy following your CI pipeline.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.